Click on the link below to get your discount. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter presents an intriguing option for those looking for a blend of performance, comfort, and durability in their personal transportation. With 3 power configurations, 500W, 800W, and 1200W, this scooter is tailored to meet various riding needs. It encapsulates versatility with its robust design, off-road capabilities, and generous range options of 15, 25, or 30 miles, making it appealing for both urban commuting and outdoor adventures. One of the standout features of the Caroma Peak is its powerful motor. The 1200W variant, in particular, provides an exhilarating ride, effortlessly tackling steep inclines and rough terrains. This power translates into smooth acceleration, allowing riders to hit speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Whether you're navigating city streets or venturing onto rugged paths, the scooter's performance is commendable. The 500W and 800W versions also offer a solid experience, making the Peak suitable for different rider preferences and budgets. The off-road capability of the Caroma Peak is underscored by its 20-inch tires, which are equipped to handle various surfaces, including gravel, grass, and uneven pavement. The larger tire size not only enhances stability and grip but also absorbs shocks effectively, contributing to a comfortable ride even on bumpy trails. The suspension system further complements this feature, ensuring that riders experience less jarring on uneven surfaces. Whether you're traversing through parks or tackling dirt paths, the Peak excels in providing a smooth and enjoyable ride. Comfort is a prominent aspect of the Caroma Peak, largely thanks to its spacious seat. Unlike many electric scooters that prioritize minimalism, the Peak includes a well-padded, ergonomic seat that allows for long rides without discomfort. This design choice is particularly advantageous for commuters who may need to travel for extended periods. The seat is adjustable, accommodating riders of different heights and preferences, which adds to the overall user-friendly experience. Another feature worth noting is the scooter's intuitive control system. The handlebar is equipped with a digital display that provides essential information such as speed, battery life, and trip distance. This level of transparency is crucial for riders who want to monitor their journey and plan their routes effectively. The thumb throttle is responsive, allowing for precise control over acceleration, which is especially helpful when maneuvering through crowded areas or tight turns. Battery life is a critical consideration for any electric scooter, and the Caroma Peak does not disappoint. Depending on the model, the range varies from 15 to 30 miles on a single charge, enabling riders to embark on longer journeys without frequent recharging. The lithium-ion battery is removable, making it convenient to charge separately from the scooter if you prefer. However, it is advisable to keep an eye on the battery indicator, especially when tackling hilly terrains or using the scooter at its top speeds, as aggressive riding can deplete battery life faster than expected. Safety features are integral to the Caroma Peak, with a dual braking system that includes both electronic and mechanical brakes. This combination provides reliable stopping power, enhancing rider confidence in various conditions. The front and rear lights, as well as reflectors, improve visibility during nighttime rides, ensuring that you remain seen by others on the road. Aesthetically, the Caroma Peak offers a modern look with various color options to suit personal styles. The build quality appears robust, and the materials used feel durable, suggesting that this scooter is designed to withstand the wear and tear of daily use. The streamlined design, coupled with its impressive performance metrics, makes it not just functional but also visually appealing. In summary, the Caroma Peak Electric Scooter stands out in a crowded market by combining power, comfort, and versatility. Whether you opt for the 500W, 800W, or 1200W version, you are guaranteed a solid performance suited to your needs. The off-road capability, generous battery range, and thoughtful design elements make it a compelling choice for both casual riders and serious commuters alike. While it's essential to be mindful of battery consumption, especially at higher